Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a closet-made or Rubbermaid closet shelf that's broken and the anchors have ripped out the wall. As you can see, some of the anchors have broken, cracked, and so I have to remove these and put the new ones in. Alright, to remove the anchors, what I did is use a screwdriver to get underneath and try to put some pressure, then use a Phillips head or a drill gun to remove the screw, then slowly pry out the anchor without damaging the drywall too much. Alright, so once you remove the old anchors, you can see what they look like. They're a nail goes through the anchor and expands and holds into the drywall. So what I did, I went to Lowe's, bought the new anchor, drywall anchors, which screw in, which do the same thing, but a screw goes into them and then they expand. These are sturdy for about 80-pound rating. These are the drywall anchors I bought at Lowe's to replace the old nail type ones. Then these are the hooks that I bought, which were actually the old ones, but I'm going to hack off the nail part. Alright, these hooks are the same as the ones that I had, and I think they're really cheap. It's just a nail that pushes in and it expands. So I want to remove this actually by using a little mini hacksaw, sawing off the area to make it flush so that when I install it onto the drywall anchor, I'll be able to use it. Okay, this is what I did to make it safer when I was hacking off. I used vice grips and just put enough pressure to clamp the hook in place to be able to saw with the hacksaw or knife, whatever you have. Just make sure that you're careful and that the piece is flush when you're done. So once you cut off the nail part, this is what it'll look like, a nice flush piece. Now that you have this nice flush piece, you'll be able to put it right on top of the anchors and use the screw to mount it. These new hooks come with a flap that will close over to hide the screw. Alright, then just slide your shelf back into place and make sure that you push it down so that it sets at the bottom of the hook and push down the flap to hide the screws. Alright, so the last thing you'll have to do is replace the support arm. Mine was about 1 inch short, so I had to move it over a couple inches and raise it 1 inch. Be left with this hole that you can spackle and sand. But basically put the arm in place where the screw will go, the hole in the bracket. Use a pencil, outline your hole, and then use one of those self-drilling anchors, drywall anchors to drill. It's a pretty simple project, so I hope this video helps someone, and good luck.